welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be about Jingles, my newest cockatiel. I just wanted to do an update on Jingles. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my future videos. So this is Jingles. Let's see if he'll step up. Come on, do you want to step up? What a good boy. He's one of my newest cockatiels. He's sweetie, he's chasing my finger. He's just a baby cockatiel that I got from the breeder. He's very tame. He was hand raised. And I wanted to show you that, look, he molted some of his clip feathers right here. So 2 of them. There might be more, but I did find 2. So that means new feathers are going to grow in, new flight feathers, and then he'll be flying. So I can't wait for him to fly in my bird room because all my other birds are flighted and he's kind of feels left out. Come here, Jingles. So, and another exciting thing is, well, I hope it's going to be exciting, is, well, Monty, my other cockatiel, my older cockatiel, doesn't really want nothing to do with them. I know it's been a short while, but he had a friend at the breeders that he really liked. And he was bonded with the other baby. You know, they were together all the time. So guess what I did? I went and got another cockatiel. His friend. He doesn't know it yet. I've had, I think it's a female. Yeah, it's a female. I've had her for a week now. And I just wanted her to get used to me. I wanted her to get used to me first before I introduced the 2. And, you know, maybe she won't want nothing to do with me. So I wanted to get her used to me first and their surroundings. And then I was going to introduce the 2 together. So in today's video, that's what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you their first reaction when they see each other. And I can't wait. I've been, you know, wanting to do it so long. I don't know if they're going to remember each other because it's been, how long have I had you now? I can't remember. A month, 6 weeks. I can't remember. Anyways, the other one was born 4 weeks after Jingles. And I named her Willow. And she's a cinnamon pearl pied. So I'm going to go get her and I'm going to show you what the 2 of them will do when they first see each other. I can't wait. So get ready. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put Jingles in here temporarily until I go get Willow because I don't want Jingles to fly away. I got to go upstairs and get her. Okay, you can watch Jingles while I get Willow. Go upstairs. Alright. Here's Willow. Who's that, Jingles? Who's that? Who's that? Ain't she pretty? So she's a month younger than Jingles. Oh, who's that? I'm just gonna put it right in beside him. He's looking, oh, maybe not. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them on the table. All right, so I removed the cage. Just gonna put Jingles right here in the middle. Willow's off to the side. And I put some millet here, which Willow loves. Let's see what they do. They're gonna eat together. I wonder if they'll remember each other. This is so cute. Who's that, Jingles? Do you remember her? Yeah? So they're basically almost the same age, just a month apart. And my other cockatiel, Monty, he's 14, so I don't think, you know, he's interested in a baby cockatiel. But maybe these 2 will hit it off. They probably have to get used to each other again because maybe they forget. So they're on their first date. They're having lunch together. Look at that. They sure do love millet. So Willow is beautiful. She's a cinnamon, you can see the cinnamon color, a pearl-pied cockatiel. And she lost a flight feather as well, so she'll be growing in her flights. And hopefully they grow in at the same time as has Jingles and they can fly together. And Jingles, you can you see the darker gray on the back? Those are the new feathers. There's one right there, along with your dandruff. Okay, so Willow really loves millet and is really eating that up and not even looking at Jingles. So I took the piece away and she's just eating the leftover there. I'm just curious what they'll do when there's no food to eat. That's a good sign anyways, they're just eating together. So their first meeting went really well, and actually they just started preening each other, but I didn't get it on camera, but I'm sure I will. I'm going to be filming a lot more. And his Jingles, they both love to be petted, and they're both molting, so they're itchy, and I'm sure, watch this. Did you see that? Okay, there we go. You can preen each other now, because my fingers get tired petting you all day and night. Come on, you preen each other. Anyways, I think everything's going to be good. It's like they already like each other. Look at that. Jingles is trying to get scritches. Aww. From Willow. But Willow's just scritching herself. Oh, isn't it very cute? Anyways, there'll be more adventures of Jingles and Willow. Aww, sweetie pies. Look at this. They're so cute. Anyways, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of my new Cockatiels. Look at that. Jingles really wants to be scritched by Willow, but Willow's busy. You're busy cleaning yourself and preening your tail. Alright, so anyways, I can sit here all day. And maybe I'll make a video of just these two eating and preening. That would be cute, like a ASMR or something. Let me know if you want to see that. So look at that. That's so sweet. Oh my goodness. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the update. Look at Jingles. Okay, I'm going to pet you, sweetie. Oh, you can't even see your head. Look at this. Look at this. I got to show you. Okay, preen sideways. See, they're pretty content with each other. At first, Jingles is like, who's this? But you see, he's pretty comfortable. Anyways, I have a playlist about Jingles, and I'm going to add Willow to it, so it'll be a Jingles and Willow's playlist. I'll put it down below, and you can go check it out. You can go check out when I first got Jingles as well. So there you go. Oh my gosh. They're going to be preening like for hours. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. That way you won't miss, look at the beautiful, beautiful feathers. You won't miss any of the upcoming videos. Alright, bye-bye.